Hello everyone, you are welcome to this channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to insert image into text using the Microsoft Word. So firstly open the Microsoft Word. Select blank document. Now click on insert. Now click on insert object. Select PowerPoint. And make OK. Now select all. Now click on insert again. Click on word art. Select any style. Now type your text here. Now select this text. Change the font style and size. Now click on text field. Select picture. Insert picture from a file. Now insert picture. Click on insert. Now customize your text. So friends, by this method you can insert picture into text. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please hit like button, share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks again for watching this video.